Hello guys, in this episode we are finally going to get the plates on my E36 325 after I made the elder video last week. I simply could not wait, so I have now got the plates and yeah, it is time to begin the summer of 2020 and have a lot of fun with my convertible E36. Let's see if it starts now. I am not sure, to be honest. Last time it was out of power. That was 1.5 weeks ago, so let's now see if it's maybe charged up a little bit, and now it may be able to start. So let's begin with try starting it up. She's looking good. Let's get her on the road. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And there goes my compact. Woo! Look at that. Just kidding, it's not that good looking compared to the beauty. Oh my god, I just need some new wheels. And yeah. Yeah, he's having a lot of fun with my exhaust. Okay, let's get this out on the road. Oh my god, this feels so good. Car can pull up burnouts so much easier than my compact. It's almost like it's so easy. It got so much more power, but yeah, it's a lot of fun. So now we are going to get the car washed, and for the first time this year, and then we're going to start working on it immediately. And today hopefully I can fix the door cover. I will show you soon how bad that is, and we'll do some small other stuff as well today. But yeah, really excited about getting plates on this car, finally.
Emptied out my soul, you've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago, I was young and almost still could feel the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would've grown off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking in the sand. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?
okay, words can't describe what I'm feeling right now. It is such a good feeling. I mean, I am back where I belong, on like nice country roads with wide open areas. It's nice weather outside, even though it's February and it is like still per se winter. I mean, yeah, it is winter, but this kind of reminds me of spring, so very early spring this year in Norway. I mean, I've been used to driving a 316 with a M43 engine that produces like 102 horsepower, and now we have 192 horsepower. That's almost twice as much. Of course, this weighs almost like 400 kilograms more, so it is actually very heavy, but still, to get that straight six sound again, and I mean, I feel that I have put so much more love into this car. I have a nice coilovers on it, and a nice steering wheel, and a nice gear knob. I mean, I've been talking a lot about this gear knob, and I know it's just a small detail, but it makes so much of a difference. But of course, the biggest difference of all is that I have swapped this car from automatic to manual. That is what I really like about it. So, yeah. This E36 really means a lot to me. So good. It can be another few weeks with snow, who knows? It doesn't look like it now, but who knows? It's only February and it can be snow, I mean, all the way until the end of March. It could be, I doubt it, but it can. And if that happens, I will not use this, of course. Then I will use my compact. So I will have plates on my compact for a short period of time from now and out until the spring. But I don't know, this summer I don't see the point in having plates on the compact this summer if it is a 316. I am thinking about swapping that to maybe a 328, 325, I don't know, something else. So if I am going to do that, then I will like to keep my plates, and then I can take it to drift events and stuff like that. But I don't know if I should focus on swapping the compact, or if I just should buy myself a coupe chassis maybe, and then swap a 328 into that and just strip it for all the weights that I can. So yeah, I don't know, but if I am going, because I really want to, I really like drifting, and I think that's a lot of fun. And just instead of just drifting on like parking lots and stuff like that, because I don't like drifting too much on public roads, because that's not good. I really want to start kind of, not pro, but I want to start drifting on track more than I'm doing now, because now I'm just doing a few events here and there. But I would really like to really really like try to build myself not a professional drift car, but a car that can really handle on the track and has some power. So I have been thinking about maybe turboing, maybe building like a 2.5 liter with turbo and stuff like that. But I don't know, time will tell. Thinking maybe about buying like a JDM car also. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about that, and yes, I am still considering to buy myself a JDM car. but that will be after I have sold my M3. So first I need to sell that, and then afterwards I can buy myself, let's say, a Skyline, Chaser, Supra, I don't know. But I also have to afford all of this, so, and I don't have a lot of money, so yeah, time will tell. Also, regarding the wheels that I said to you that I will maybe mount on this car, the LTW wheels that I bought, I'm very sorry, but a guy came to me and offered me a really good deal on them, and like offered me a good amount of cash for them, and so I sold it to him actually. So those, okay, roads closed. Cool. So yeah, those wheels are actually gone. I sold them. I made a decent amount of money for them, and I fixed them pretty good. I got new tires on them and like got them working so we could use them. So yeah, I got a good deal for them. So that's why I sold them. It's kind of sad, but I know I still have some cool wheels for this coming up, so it's not a problem. Let's try some acceleration right here. We have no cars on the road, and yeah, let's see. Yeah, pulls good. It pulls very good actually. Now let's get some real corners right here. I wonder how my how my semi-slicks would be on this car. It would be kind of fun to see. This I have the M Sport seats, or like the seats, yeah, M Sport edition seats on this car, and that really hugs me. Like, it's really good. I mean, it's not like the bucket seat, but it's good. You did see me earlier today wash the interior of my car, so tonight I will let the car sleep indoors with doors open and everything, because it is very important to let the car dry. So because now the carpet is a little bit wet, and that is also why I have this air conditioning stuff on directly to the floor, so the heat will get down and go like, yeah, it's very warm in here now, so it's a little bit uncomfortable, but I want it to be warm so it's nice and it's drying up faster. That's the idea, at least. So like I said, this will stay inside overnight, so it will get dry and not wet, because it's not good if it's like moist. It's like what is the correct word? If it's like yeah, moist. I don't like that word, but if it's moist inside the car, that's not good. And yeah, the clutch is kind of squeaking. I don't know if you can hear that, but I maybe need to find something that will make it not squeak, because that has seriously also bothered me ever since I converted this into manual. Take a listen. Yeah, very annoying. Ah, it's so much fun. My God, I like you. Woo! Oh God. Oh, it's so much fun. So good. But some new set of wheels would be kind of nice, and I would also like to fix the gap between right there. I am actually going to, I think maybe I'm going to buy new front fenders, because my car is actually missing the orange side, like, what is it? It's not blinkers, it's I don't know, but it's missing that one there. What? What? Not blink lights, but it's yeah, turn signals. It's missing turn signals here. It's missing turn signals right there. But yeah, it's dirty already because it rained a little bit earlier. But yeah, it's looking really good. Really like it, and I really like this. And I have had a fantastic day, enjoying this car a lot. But it is kind of cold, and that reminds me that it is not actually summer yet. But anyways, I had a great day, and I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and maybe also consider subscribing with notification if you will, and I will see you guys in the next video. Also, tell me what you would like, yeah. Also, tell me what you would like to see with this car later on, like from now on and towards the summer. So I really want to hear you guys what you want to see. You want to see some more drifting, burnouts, how to do burnouts, just some POV GoPro footage driving. I don't know. Let me know, and also modifications. What kind of modifications do you want to see to this car? Because I think and hopefully I will use this a lot this summer. So yeah, let's see each other in the next video. Goodbye.